Mike, it's my first year in Bellingham. We started in late August. I have one skilled employee, but little recurring work. Should I expand to places like Mount Vernon to get more projects, like landscape? I would not recommend doing this. I happen to have a location in Bellingham, and there's plenty of work in Bellingham. You don't need to go to Mount Vernon to get more work. If you have one employee, like, you've not tapped out the market. And so there's absolutely more work. Our location will do that, like the $1.2 million at that location, doing mostly recurring services that you do. So you have not tapped out the market. The only time you start tapping on the market is when you can prove that your customer acquisition cost is going up very steeply as you spend more money and as you begin to scale. That's when you're tapping out a market. So if you're getting leads for $40 and then as you continue to grow and you try to scale up your ad campaign to become $80 and $100 and $200, that's when thinking about going to a new service area might make sense. But you haven't tapped out a market. You can build $1 million business as long as you have 100,000 people, no problem. In almost every market. Even markets where it's like a little bit deflated in terms of the economy, there's always enough customers in almost every home service industry, if you have 100,000 people, to be able to build $1 million business. Almost every single service, unless it's very, very niche and one-time jobs and super cyclical based upon the economy. That's the only times I can see like that not working out.